So first we take clay, colorful clay, whatever color you have. So let's make the first planet. Now kids, can you tell me which planet is this? Yes, Earth. Let's make all the planets one by one. Jupiter, then Saturn, then Uranus, and the last is Neptune. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Now let's make the sun. So I have a toothpick. I just insert it like the sun rays. So let's complete it. Let's color the sun. What are you coloring, girls?
Sun.
What are these?
Planets.
Planets. What are you making?
Solar system.
Good. Color fast.
Okay.
Let's dry it.
Yes.
Now just spray the white color with the help of brush. Now stick the stars. And this is for parents. Okay.
Kids don't
This is for
lie,
parents.
and this
Kids
is for
don't.
parents.
Yes, kids.
Kids don't lie, and this is for parents. Yes. That's so cute.
So this is for parents. Take a needle and thread and insert it like this.
Good. Yes. Make all.
Okay, what is this?
Venus.
Venus. Very good. Let's hang it also.
Okay.
Again, don't try, kids. This is for parents.
Me.
After Mars. Yes.
Jupiter.
Very good. Okay, now you learn about the planets.
Yes.
Okay, Kanzah, look here. Which planet is this? Okay, Muntaha, look here. Which planet is this?
Saturn.
Very good. Kanzah, look here. Which planet is this?
This.
Yes.
Jupiter.
Very good. Muntaha, you tell me. Which planet is this?
Mars.
Very good. And this is?
Sun.
Very good.
Everyone, you like my video and channel. You subscribe and like. Bye. So let's